Hey viewers, what's going on? Almost forgot to do today's vlog. I'm cold again, as you can tell by the blanket. School starts again tomorrow, so it sucks. Here's kind of messy. Yeah. About to go to bed. Pretty short vlog. This time. You know what? I will just say that. No, not this vlog. I won't do that again. I didn't do that before now. Oh, sorry. Forgot that the mic was there again. It's kind of hard for me to remember because it's little dot. I hate the mic positions. So yeah. There's a bug for Minecraft, you know, it's how it's pronounced. Minecraft Xbox 360 edition. Where I told you this already. I'm insane. The Call of Duty championships are over, I guess. I don't know, I didn't watch it whatsoever. So, super secret project. I said it was going to be 2 months of most. I was wrong. It's going to be a lot longer. Anyways, I gotta end it here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't dislike, or else you will be late. Bye.